Hey everyone, what's up? Devon here. So I'm on a coaching call with Miss Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and so tell me your good news. Tell me what's going on.
Oh God, I got a sale.
You got a sale? You got a sale?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got 5 sales. So we're actually logged into her ClickBank account right now. Hopefully you can see this. I don't know if you can see it. My phone is so horrible. It says this week $481.74. $481.74. If you guys can see that. Are you an expert on the computer, Anne-Marie?
Huh?
Are you an expert on the computer?
No, I'm not really an expert.
Not an expert.
I'm trying, but you know, but I'm so excited I can't hear you. So excited.
Excellent.
It's been years. I've been trying to make money.
Been years that you've been trying to make money, and
Yes.
so look
and
at that.
I've been taking course after course after course. Well, when I saw this today, I nearly flip out.
When you saw it, thank you. Awesome. I am so happy for you. She made.
That's my Valentine's, Devon. All right.
That's your Valentine's. It's perfect. Because today is Valentine's Day. That is perfect. She made $481 in commissions just this week so far, and they're affiliate commissions, which means that did you have to create the product yourself?
No.
Did you have to do any customer support for when somebody purchased the product?
No, it's just that you remember how you tell me go to ClickBank and take out a product and promote it?
Right, just go to
broadcast. But that's what I did.
Right.
I did broadcast, and that's for what I get. I've been getting them small, and then after this week I got a big one.
You got a big one.
I'm like, Lord, it's working, so now I'm going back again.
So she said she's went to ClickBank. She found a product that she thought looks good she's been building her email list that she thought might like. She sent a broadcast to her email list. She sent a few, and it's just a numbers game. And somebody bought, and she made $481.74 just this week. Somebody bought something that was like $400 and stuck $400 in commissions in her pocket. She's been trying for years, as you've heard her say. If you don't have to answer this, Anne-Marie, I'm totally putting you on the spot. Do you mind telling everybody how old you are? Is that okay? I hate asking, but I just want to prove
I'm 66.
You're 66?
Yes, and I'm doing this because of the fact that I had 2 blood clots in my lungs. So this is a third life I'm living, and I need extra income.
Excellent.
To retire.
So you had 2 blood clots in your lung, you're 66 years old, and you're doing this because you need the extra income, and you've been trying for years, and this is your first, is this ever first making several $100s in a single?
First time.
Yeah.
First time.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
And on Valentine's Day too. That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna get back to our coaching. We were doing a coaching call, and she just freaked out and had to show me, so I pulled out my camera. We're gonna go do our coaching call. I'm gonna stop recording now. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you all heard all of that and saw her ClickBank account again. You guys can see that right here. Where is it, please? I hope it's in the screen. $481.74. 66 years old. Not a computer expert. So what is your excuse?
Others have had success, such as this person who was new to the system and is seeing consistent results with $78.68 one week and $62.46, then $171.61. Also this person with $458 in one day. This person has made commissions 4 weeks in a row with $44.14, $44.36, $25.72, $87.10. And this person experienced his first sale, who doesn't even live in the USA, of $21.24. And those are just some testimonials showing that you can make money with the Daily Commissions Blueprint in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, download the Daily Commissions Blueprint today for just $12.95. Step 2, follow the simple steps inside. And step 3, pocket daily commissions into your bank account. Plus, when you get the Daily Commissions Blueprint today, you'll also get the Daily Commissions Blueprint video training. This step-by-step video training takes you by the hand so that you understand exactly how the Daily Commissions Blueprint works and how you can start making money fast. Again, this is absolutely free when you buy the Daily Commissions Blueprint today for just $12.95. Finally, there's a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee. Make money with the Daily Commissions Blueprint, or they'll give you your money back. Although the discounted price and bonus make getting the Daily Commissions Blueprint right now a total no-brainer, they don't want anything to hold you back from getting this now. Basically, they're giving you a full 30 days to make sure the Daily Commissions Blueprint is for you. Use the link below to order now.